My name's Karine Bossé. I own Echo Audiology in Orleans and Ottawa. We opened the clinic in 2017, so um, been working for about 4 or 5 years at the clinic in the middle of a pandemic, but that's okay. It's been going really well. I've been working myself for at least 10 years as a clinician, and yeah, opening the clinic was something that was a great mission or project for us. It's been a really wonderful project, and we're happy to be where we are today. I think the biggest thing for us has been how we were able to implement it and make sure that the practice was kind of following its consistent approach. And for us, we were kind of already using a patient focused approach and a very holistic approach, but the tools that were developed by the Inspired by Ida program helped us to fine tune the appointments to kind of tie everything together to be able to convey or the information better and kind of really accomplish what we wanted to do in the consultations. And I think it made us be able to do that in a way that provided our patients with just more information, but in a simpler way that was they were kind of able to absorb it better. So we kind of use these tools throughout the entire appointment wherever it's relevant, whether it's from the intake forms, through the assessment, or even through the counseling session. Whether we're using them to kind of organize our thoughts, like some of the motivational tools like the circle, or bring in these tools into the counseling itself, like the My Hearing Explained document and talking about brain energy. These tools, they kind of helped us to talk and counsel about hearing ability and hearing loss and hearing difficulties in a different way. And I think that really seemed to resonate with our patients. When you have a patient leaving your office saying that the appointment was fun and they can't wait to come back, I mean, what else can you ask for as a health professional? I think, one of the things that it's given us too is just kind of improved the overall vibe of the clinic, the job satisfaction, if we want to talk about that. I mean, for people who know me well, they know that I didn't need much to improve my job. I love my job. I always have. But adding these simple tweaks in what we were doing just created a lot of positive responses from our patients above and beyond what we were already experiencing. And so it made me just enjoy my job even more. I think, the example I always gave was when you have a patient who puts hearing aids on for the first time, you can it's palpable, the relief that they feel about hearing better and how much more effortless it is. But now with these tools that we're kind of using in our appointments, we get to experience another palpable moment of relief, which is just in the counseling portion. And when your patient really understands their symptoms and really has a grasp on why they're experiencing what they're experiencing, whether they're ready for the next steps or not, just, that feeling of, their shoulders go down and the stress kind of goes away. And just that understanding is super palpable. So, we haven't even started the rehabilitation portion of our appointments yet. And there's already this really positive experience, even with brand new patients who are coming into the clinic for the first time. So, as an audiologist, that's awesome. But as a business owner, that type of experience resonates through the entire clinic. And so everyone just has, a great experience with it. So can't really ask for more than that, really. And, we're super excited to see what else the program will come up with and how else we can integrate it into the clinic and our practice.